You wake up late. First thing you do, you grab your phone, Instagram, WhatsApp, maybe a quick YouTube short. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Next thing you know, it has been 45. You rush out the door, skip breakfast, promise yourself you will study properly tonight, and by the end of the day, you are tired. You spent money you did not plan to spend. You did not actually move closer to your goals. And somehow you feel busy, but broke. If that sounds painfully familiar, yeah, that is not a coincidence. That routine? It is quietly keeping most students poor, stressed, and stuck. And listen, it is not because students are lazy. It is because they are following a daily routine that was never designed to make them financially successful. My name is Cam, and I spend way too much time thinking about why smart people stay broke longer than they should. So if you work hard, study hard, but still feel like money disappears every month, hit subscribe. And if this video helps you, drop a like, because today I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead. Not motivation, not hustle culture nonsense. A real 7-step daily fix that lines up with how money, psychology, and real life actually work. All right, let us be honest. Most students follow some version of this routine. Wake up late, scroll phone immediately, rush to class, eat whatever is cheap and fast, study randomly, waste time online, panic at night, repeat tomorrow, and society tells students, just focus on your studies. Money will come later. Here's what most people do not realize. That advice is financially dangerous because habits compound daily, not someday. Research published by the American Psychological Association says financial stress is the #1 source of stress for people under 30. And a study by NerdWallet found the average student wastes $200 to $300 per month on untracked spending. That is $2,400 to $3,600 per year. Over a 4-year degree, that is up to $14,000 gone. Not invested, not saved, just leaked. And that leak starts with your daily routine. Here's the thing. Your brain loves comfort, not progress. Psychologists call this decision fatigue. The more random your day is, the more your brain defaults to convenience spending, impulse food, emotional purchases. The "I deserve this" logic, and this is where it gets really interesting. Money problems are not math problems first. They are behavior problems. Your routine programs your spending before you even touch your wallet. Quick story. Student A and Student B both earn $500 a month from part-time work. Same income. After 12 months, Student A has $0 saved. Student B has $2,000 saved. No crypto, no side hustle magic, just routine. Student B did not earn more. They leaked less. So now, let us break down the exact 7-step fix. This is practical, this is realistic, and yes, you can start tomorrow morning. Step 1. Fix your morning input. This is huge. Most students start their day with social media, notifications, comparison, anxiety. That is like eating junk food before breakfast. Here is what most people do not realize. The first 30 minutes of your day shape your spending decisions, your focus, and your self-control. Studies from Harvard Business Review show early day distractions reduce self-discipline for the rest of the day. The fix is simple. Before touching your phone, drink water, sit up, ask one question. What would make today a financial win? That is it. Not productivity, not motivation. Financial awareness. Step 2, track one number daily, not everything. Now you might be thinking, Cam, budgeting is boring. I agree. That is why most budgets fail. Here is the truth. You do not need to track everything. You need to track one number, your daily spending total. Example, you give yourself a $10 a day limit. Spend 7, you win. Spend 15, you feel it. This works because of loss aversion. Humans hate losing more than they enjoy winning. Your brain naturally adjusts. Step 3, design a no-spend default. Willpower is overrated. Environment beats motivation every time. Here is what most students do wrong. They rely on self-control. Instead, do this. Leave extra cash at home. Remove food delivery apps. Carry only what you plan to spend. This is called choice architecture, and behavioral economists show it can reduce impulse spending by up to 40%. Step 4, study blocks, not study marathons. Here is a myth. Long study hours equals success. Nope. Random studying causes burnout, stress eating, Late night spending. The fix is time-boxed study blocks, 90 minutes max, planned breaks. Stop before exhaustion. Why? Because tired brains spend more money. Literally. Research shows decision quality drops after mental fatigue, and that leads to impulsive money choices. Step 5. Eat like a financially smart person. Let us talk food. Most students overspend on food without realizing it. $5 here, $8 there, just one snack, and suddenly it is $150 to $250 a month. Here is the fix. One planned cheat meal per day. Same food, same time. Remove decision making. This is why successful people eat repetitive meals. Not because it is boring, because it is efficient. Step 6. Create a low-energy money task. Here is what most people do not realize. You do not need motivation to build wealth. You need low-energy systems. Your daily task should be something you can do even when tired. Check your balance. Move $2 to savings. Review yesterday's spending. Tiny actions create identity change. You stop being bad with money. You become someone who pays attention. Step 7. End your day with a financial check-in. Now you might be thinking, this feels like a lot. It is not. This last step takes 2 minutes. Before bed, ask, did today cost me or invest in me? Then note one improvement for tomorrow. That closes the feedback loop, and mentally, it reinforces progress. Now, why this routine works, the big picture. Most students try to fix money by earning more or hustling harder, but the real upgrade is aligning your routine with your future self. This routine reduces leaks, builds awareness, increases control, lowers stress. And stress is expensive. Now you might be thinking, Cam, I do not earn enough for this to matter. That is exactly why it matters more. If you can control $5 a day, you can control $500 a day later. Habits scale. I have seen students turn their finances around without rich parents, without fancy degrees, without side hustles, just routine. Because money does not respond to intentions. It responds to systems. So look, you do not need to be perfect. You need to start. Try step 1 tomorrow morning. Just that. And if this helped you see your daily routine differently, hit like, subscribe, and comment fixed so I know you are serious. And remember, your future is not built in big moments. It is built in ordinary days done differently.